तो यहाँ पे एक गेट नेकेड 3 बर्गर है एंड इफ यू गेट नेकेड यू गेट 10% ऑफ। मिर्ची पराठा, मिर्ची पराठा ये तो मैंने इंडिया में भी नहीं खाया।
पढ़ते रहो सारे बोर्ड्स बिकॉज देयर बी मसाज 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 रामेन मसाज मसाज मसाज।
अगर आप ध्यान देंगे तो प्राची का अभी सिंड्रेला टाइम लिमिट पार हो चुका है।
So I cannot be held responsible for anything I say now after midnight. Now the gully on the right is a fun gully. Sukhumvit is like a happening street.
Central point of Bangkok.
All good hotels, lots of fun bars, sports bars,
Eating
international food.
International food, lots of eating joints. Prachi and I are out doing what we do best at night. which
Eating
is
food and discovering.
music.
Now that's the wise.
Eating food and discovering places after 12 a.m. Although Bangkok has a lot of them, but हम फिर भी try तो
yeah.
करेंगे और हम अपना
Bangkok-
experience बताएंगे.
Pretty arrive after 12 anyway. मगर उसमें से what do you want? What do we want to try?
Yeah.
We'll find that out.
So we found our first place, Artisan Craft Burgers. We are going there and we'll see what are the kind of artisanal burgers that they serve.
I'm excited to try the sliders.
So one Korean fried chicken burger.
Which one do you suggest? Artisan or 3D? Better? Which is the best according to you? So
Artisan.
then we'll try that.
So one artisan, one Korean fried chicken, one portion of fries. Should we have a beer?
I was gonna say we should.
Split the beer.
Yep, a single.
Singa is a good one. And one singa.
No.
One. One. And 2 glasses. तो यहाँ पे एक गेट नेकेड 3 बर्गर है जिसमें there is no bun. That's an option that's available.
It's not get naked 3. It's just 3 exclamation marks.
Get naked. And if you get naked, you get a 10% off. 10 baht off.
Shouldn't you get paid more for getting naked? And now we are going to have a healthy debate on whether this is pronounced as Sing or Singa.
We've been roaming around with Thai locals. They've been calling it Singa. Till our burgers arrive. Chairs and tables.
Oh my god, the fries look so.
Oh, that's a good portion of fries.
This is the Artisan, their classic burger. Juicy patty.
The Korean fried chicken burger, because why not? Oh, it's hot, but yummy.
Super yummy. The bun is nice, but the patty is outstanding, man.
The sauces are khatta, meetha, tikha, and dripping. Oh,
So time to deconstruct. Caramelized onions, tomato, cheese, patty.
and what I like about this is इसमें tomato कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ caramelized onions है, sauces है, the chicken is lovely, crispy, crunchy, and I think इसको with skin fry किया ना, नहीं तो इतना crunchy नहीं होगा.
ना वो panko fry भी हो सकता है.
Can be the panko, can be the batter.
I want to try that now. Those sauces look very tempting.
Oh, look at the sauces.
हाँ ये पूरा सॉस का खेल है. ये इसमें मज़ा आ रहा है बिकॉज ये तीखा है. इसमें मज़ा आ रहा है बिकॉज ये बहुत ही क्लासिक. द क्लासिक दैट कांट गो रॉन्ग. बट आई एम वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस मिडिल सॉस हियर जो फ्राइज के साथ आया है. ये बहुत अमेजिंग है. which is like a little bit like a salsa.
This is salsa.
Oh,
I'm going for the classic burger. It's got cheddar cheese. Oh, the patty is yum.
yum! Just juicy patty.
Crunchy lettuce, zesty, zingy cheddar, juicy burger, tomato I will ignore, caramelized onions. It's a classic.
मुझे ऑनेस्टली आगे का स्ट्रीट एक्सप्लोर करने का मोटिवेशन कम होता जा रहा है बिकॉज मुझे ये पूरा खत्म करना है द बर्गर द फ्राइज एंड द बियर द ऑल डैम गुड ये क्या होता है
Congo.
सो ऑन सुकुमवित स्ट्रीट देयर इज अ हॉलिडे इन
वहाँ से आप स्ट्रेट अंदर आइए and you come to artisan craft burgers because they are artisanally crafted. They are artisanally.
इट्स द बियर टॉकिंग
Cheers. On that note, let's move on. So, burgers done.
checked off the list.
Okay, and now next where?
So I think on this street, because there's so much global food, I would like to
Okay.
try the ramen.
Ramen is a good idea.
I would also like to try something Indian because there is a lot of Indian option here.
But we've come to Bangkok to try Indian food.
Why not? So many Indians come to Bangkok and once in a while they should try Indian food in Bangkok just to see what it's like.
But I like the vibe of this place.
The vibe is amazing. It's very lively.
Nice al fresco restaurants with music in the background, like you can hear.
Yeah, this is Sukhumvit, which is sort of now like a street where there are all good hotels and lots of food options.
Yes.
वैसे यहाँ पे there is a stairway to heaven.
Robert Plant was here. Did you understand that? Robert Plant was the singer from Led Zeppelin who sang Stairway to Heaven. Heaven.
This is a nice place.
So from Stairway to Heaven to Slim Shady, there's everything in Sukhumvit.
And just one block away, you will hear either Arijit Singh or A.R. Rahman because there is a restaurant called Jodha. Very nice looking menu.
So Jodha mein I'm wondering why is there a Lebanese menu?
Because it says Indian and Lebanese restaurant. There is samosa with chutney here and aloo chaat and papri chaat mixed berries.
And avocado,
Pani
which is
puri.
replacing the big Jesus out of potato over the world. It is?
And we actually ate an avocado pani puri in Bombay Sweet Shop.
Yes.
So do you want to?
No.
Why?
Okay, I really don't know what to eat over here.
Okay, this time I will tell you what. We will eat the avocado pani puri.
Alright. मिर्ची पराठा मिर्ची पराठा
कहाँ?
ये तो मैंने इंडिया में भी नहीं खाया
मिर्च पराठा चलो ये अच्छा आइडिया है
एंड वी विल डू अ मसाला कोक बिकॉज
कोका कोला विद चाट मसाला
सो avocado पानी पूरी मिर्च पराठा मसाला कोक
आप थाई है
नहीं बर्मा है
बर्मीज
अच्छा हमने ये सोचा है आप बताइए अच्छा है कि नहीं avocado पानी पूरी अच्छा है
अच्छा है इंडियन का ही है ना
मिर्ची पराठा हाँ
मिर्ची पराठा
मिर्ची पराठा
एक मसाला
काला कोला
कोला वेरी फैंसी प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द चटनी
सर्विंग स्टाइल
तो ये तो अपना
पुदीने की चटनी
पुदीने की चटनी है
ये है इमली की चटनी
इमली और डेट
इमली और डेट दोनों हो सकता है बिकॉज दे आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री दे आर
दोनों है
इमली खट्टी होती है डेट मीठा होता है
वहाँ अचार है एंड दिस इज पाइनएप्पल चटनी
आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस मसाला सोडा
अगर आप ध्यान देंगे तो प्राची का अभी सिंड्रेला टाइम लिमिट पार हो चुका है
So I cannot be held responsible for anything I say now
Yes.
after midnight.
Yeah.
This is a
अरे
masala.
I got this for you. Hold.
Okay, I was going to eat the masala papad cone first. Can I? You go for the pani puri.
But how do you eat the pani puri? This and then short.
It's a DIY pani puri.
Considering कि हम बैंकॉक में हैं और काफी ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन पानी पूरी खा रहे हैं, इट्स अ सरप्राइज.
The puri is so good. ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा है कि देश के बाहर आके पानी पूरी खा रहे हैं.
हाँ, सर्व भी हमको संजना कर रही है.
जी.
जी.
मिर्ची पराठे पे लाल मिर्च स्प्रिंकल की हुई.
हाँ, interesting. But don't you think we should finish the pani puri first?
Yeah, actually, I just want to eat the paratha because it looks so like delicious. Yeah, now we will finish the pani puri. So Mohit बिल्कुल भी इंटरेस्टेड नहीं था बैंकॉक में आके इंडियन खाना कौन खाता है.
I'll tell you the
We are
Superman thing.
having so much fun. You have to just admit it, please.
We are having fun. Now can I tell you my theory?
No, nobody's interested in theory. In practicality, you can have fun if you want to. चल तू बोल दे अभी. तू बोले बगैर तो रहेगा.
अपने expectations को low रखो. If they don't meet your expectation, तो ठीक है. वैसे ही हमने कुछ expect नहीं किया था. But now it is going way above our expectation. So we are having a lot of fun. It's my theory.
Who comes to Bangkok with so much gyan? I don't know if you're noticing, but I'm eating mirchi paratha also with one hand, even in Bangkok.
किसी फैन ने बहुत प्यार से बोला था प्राची को एक हाथ से खाते देख बहुत मजा आता है. For that fan मैं बता दूं कि सिखाया मैंने था. You know what? Genuinely, ये अच्छा खाना है. An immediate noticeable difference is that इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स में इंडिया में बेकिंग सोडा डालते हैं और यहाँ पे बिल्कुल नहीं डाला है. मिर्ची पराठा तो जो है वो अच्छा एक लच्छा पराठा है. ऊपर से जैसे वो कह रही थी मिर्ची स्प्रिंकल किया हुआ है उसका भी फ्लेवर आ रहा है. द चिकन टिक्का मसाला इज नाइस एंड स्पाइसी. कसूरी मेथी का भी फ्लेवर आ रहा है. सो इफ यू आर मिसिंग होम फूड इन बैंकॉक, कम टू जोधा विदाउट अकबर एंड हैव सम फूड.
So gulab jamun complete with the almond shavings and work, cold work.
Oh, it's soft.
I'm hot.
Hot? That means it's good. Not bad.
मुझे थोड़ा सिरप चाहिए.
Not bad at all. बैंकॉक में ऐसे हलवा ही नहीं है.
It's hot and it's dense and it's soaked. And I think it is fried in ghee.
There is a ramen shop that you spotted
Yeah.
while you were gallivanting in Bangkok's labyrinthic Sukhumvit lanes. Wow.
Yes.
कहाँ है?
यहाँ से लेफ्ट लेना है. रमादा आएगा, which is a good landmark for you. और उसके सामने से एक पतली सी गली जाती है. पढ़ते रहो सारे बोर्ड्स. Because there'll be massage, 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 ramen, massage, massage, massage.
So it's 2 o'clock. Just to show you the authenticity of what we do.
Did you doubt it?
Anyway, so it's 2 o'clock and Sukhumvit is still
Buzzing!
ramen tenyo.
Alright, going in for the ramen. This is turning into some hilarious eating experience. गरम है क्या?
Oh, nice. Wow. Nice, hot. Well, it's not piping hot. ऐसा जो रामेन होना चाहिए या जो रामेन होता है
Miso कैसा है? How is the miso broth?
Miso is good.
I like miso by the way. Oh, the miso broth is nice.
It's nice.
Very soulful. At 2 a.m., it's a good ramen for 2 a.m. What are these greens? Like I read their Thai name, but I'm not sure what they are called. What a hearty bowl.
जो umami taste जो Japanese cuisine में बोलते हैं होता है the fifth taste which is the umami. Sweet, salted, sour,
Mmm.
spicy and umami.
It's all there.
I know my shit, bro. Mmm.
I want to eat the egg now. Mmm.
इतना ही बचा मेरे लिए.
The yolk was not fully done and it's so delicious.
Yeah,
Yeah,
of course.
so good.
A runny yolk is always welcome.
There's also some seaweed and some pork.
ये देखो, स्टार को तो हम भूल ही गए.
Oh, it's a massive garlic, huh? It's like a massive pod. ये पीछे का म्यूजिक जो है ऐसे बहुत लाउड है लेकिन मजा आ रहा है.
हाँ, ऐसे डिस्टर्बिंग नहीं है. I'm going for the star. Very soft, full of fat, full of pork fat. Wow. A nice plump, crunchy bean sprouts. Lovely egg noodles.
Wow, this pork portion was so delicious, right? For a very obscure ramen place. It's really good.
Like Prachi was saying, massage, ramen massage. तू रेटिंग चालू कर अभी चल.
यहाँ पे हमने एक ही चीज खाई है, the special miso ramen, and it was outstanding. I don't know, 10 on 10. I love it. 10 on 10.
Only because I've had a better ramen, I'd say 8.5. And better ramen in Bangkok. The Korean fried chicken burger, 10 on 10. Because the sauces were amazing.
Yeah.
The chicken was beautifully deep fried, crunchy. Artisan burger, their trademark burger, 10 on 10. Because it's a classic and at times it is very difficult to keep a classic a classic.
Korean fried burger. Yeah, it's 10 on 10 for all the spicy Korean masala that's gone into the burger. And it's also massive. So for the size. And the artisan craft burger is also 10 on 10 because for all the same reasons that Mohit gave. It's classic. They've got it right. Yeah, if you get the classic right, then who are we to say that it's not good?
Mirchi paratha,
Mirchi paratha was 9 on 10.
8.5 on 10. The pani puri.
Pani puri was like superb for very low expectations. It was actually a great pani puri, very close to a thele ka on the streets of Mumbai.
It was a
So I would
pani-
give it a 9.
9. उसके बाद
Masala papad cones.
I will skip it.
They were very fun to eat. I would give them 9.
Okay.
Chicken tikka masala.
Chicken tikka tawa masala.
A very good chicken tikka masala tawa.
Good, spicy, kasuri methi, filled with lots of flavors, packed
And no soda.
and no soda, packed with good flavors. I will give it 8.5.
9.
Gulab jamun ko I will give it 7.5.
I don't rate gulab jamun.
Why?
Yes, I do.
On that note, like, comment, share, subscribe. आते रहिए
खाते रहिए.
और पूछते रहिए कि खाने में क्या है. स्वादी खा.
Kapun ka. It's quite banging.
But why do we eat Indian food in Bangkok? We eat Indian food every day.
You come to Bangkok.
बोल.
Because you come to Bangkok to push your boundaries.
अच्छा. Very good.
Very well.
तो राजे काम का आज तू गुलाब जामुन मत खा. 5 पोर्शन पड़े तो मुझे लगा यार पोर्शन में 2 है. मुझे भी लगा था. And now प्रमोद तू भूल गया क्या खाने में क्या कैसे शूट करते हैं? क्लोज पे आना. इसके लिए शूट के बाद बियर पियो. But why didn't they?
Fine print पढ़ना चाहिए.
But why didn't they call it Jodha and Akbar? Then it would have been Lebanese. Jodha and
Akbar was not from Lebanon.
Okay. Why
History
didn't they
is
call
like
it
never mind. It's
Jodha and Zeus? Also not from Lebanon.
now he's rhyming it.
Well,
अच्छा बराबर.
देखो 12 बज चुके हैं. Prachi lost a shoe. So she has to be rushed home. Can you describe the food?
क्या बात है?
बड़ी इलायची भी है. A mark of Indian food. रोल माड़ी.
वो आवाज करना.